As a continuation of our advanced replacement process, the first thing we want to do is ship a new unit to the customer. So we're going to do that through our sales order that was created. So when I open the sales order from the link on the case record, I'll be able to see that this was one sand filter system to be shipped out to the customer, and the price is 0. So I'm going to click fulfill. And I'm just going to select a new unit from my inventory. So my shipping and receiving guys will confirm this. And I'm just going to save it. And now I've shipped a new unit to my customer. I'm going to go back to my case record and assume a few days have passed by, and I'm going to receive in the RMA. Okay, here I can see my item fulfillment has created, and if I go to my SM tab, I have a link back to my case. So when I go back to my case record, I can see that my item fulfillment has now reflected. So next thing I want to do is I'm going to receive in my RMA. And you'll see that this transaction is also listed as 0. So the unit that came in has no value, the unit that went out has no value. Alright, I'm going to scroll down to show you that I have the sand filter system coming back and my inventory details already set because the script knows exactly which unit is coming back. So I'm going to approve this return, and then I'm going to receive it in. So I'm going to click receive. And again, this is just native NetSuite process to receive a system in. I'm going to verify my information is correct, which it is, and I'm just going to save. And once this item receipt creates, then we will go back to our case and see where that link is. Alright, here we are. So we're going to go to our SM tab and open our case. So on my case record, I'm going to go to my e-contracts, and now I can see my item receipt and item fulfillment information's on here. So the last thing I want to show you is I want to open up the EC product and show you the changes that occurred. So if you go down here to the return, you can see the return serial number, which item receipt it was returned on, and the related RMA. And now you can see the new SM unit which I shipped out on the sales order is linked to this EC product record. And lastly, at the bottom, we have our cases, and you can see the case link related to that. So that's the advanced replacement process. Next, I'll show you the work order for the return of this unit.